these marijuana stocks could soon hit $1 billion in overall sales. While sales are not the only way to rank a marijuana stock, they are quite important. In the past 2 years, we have seen the cannabis industry be extremely volatile. This is due to a long list of factors, including legislation, supply worries, and the simple task of creating an industry from scratch. Given that pot stocks in the modern cannabis industry have only been around for a few years, it makes sense that there would be some growing pains. Over the past few months, however, we have mostly witnessed an overall uptrend in some of the leading marijuana stocks to watch. This uptrend has to do with higher than usual cannabis demand, better than expected financials, and more. At this point, the cannabis industry stands to be one of the fastest growing markets in the world. An MSO pot stock with $1 billion in sales on the horizon. Green Thumb Industries Inc. is a big name when it comes to MSO pot stocks in the US. Estimates from Wall Street show that Green Thumb stock could potentially be backed by $1.5 billion in sales by 2024. Currently, the company is selling around $500 million annually, which is less than half of that projection. But Green Thumb stock has some major growth prospects that could hopefully pay out. As far as the sheer number of dispensaries, Green Thumb has as many as 48 around the country. But Green Thumb stock could benefit from the company's additional 50 or so licenses. This means that Green Thumb could become the largest MSO marijuana stock in the industry. Another leading MSO marijuana stock, Trulieve Cannabis Inc., is an uprising addition to the list. The company has managed to become the largest dispensary in the Florida market, which is quite a big task. Trulieve stock has hedged its bet on the potential growth of Florida as a massive statewide cannabis industry. And although it is still medicinal, analysts believe Florida could go full rec in the near future. Trulieve stock has benefited greatly from this business model, as it has allowed for targeted expansion in one specific market. This is not something that many other MSO pot stocks have managed to do. Trulieve Cannabis has also begun to expand outside of Florida, moving into markets like California, among others, with a large number of open and successful dispensaries. Investors believe that Trulieve Cannabis could hit over $1 billion in sales within the next 4 years. For that reason, among others, Trulieve stock remains a leading pot stock to watch.